Did you know India ranks the highest in the world for road traffic accidents? With over 150,000 fatalities annually, road safety is a critical issue that demands our attention and action. It is imperative to educate children on road safety as they are not only vulnerable road users but also future drivers and pedestrians of our nation. Today, Envalior presents Street Smarties, a road safety awareness campaign in association with ETAuto.
आपको सड़क पे किस चीज से सुरक्षा की जरूरत है?
If you impart the knowledge and awareness at a correct age, then that grows with the child. So if we are able to impart these awareness about the road safety at this age, in this tender age of the children, they will continue to learn with this, and this will be a lifelong learning for them that will continue with them.
Our journey begins here in Delhi NCR, where we have conducted workshops at 2 government schools in Noida. These workshops, facilitated by Ecoinch, aim to educate students on the importance of road safety.
This whole activity is basically to make a responsible citizen for future.
मेरा नाम किरण है। मैं कंपोजिट विद्यालय धारक कक्षा 7 की छात्रा हूँ। आज हमने ट्रैफिक नियमों के बारे में सीखा है। ज़ेब्रा क्रॉसिंग पे जब कोई चल रहा है तो गाड़ी रोक देना है, उन लोगों को निकल जाए, फिर उस गाड़ी को स्टार्ट कर देना है।
रोड क्रॉस करने से पहले दाएं बाएं देखना चाहिए और फिर जाना चाहिए।
सड़क सुरक्षा की जिम्मेदारी थोड़ी आपकी थोड़ी हमारी।
Now this marks just the beginning of a journey towards creating safer roads across the nation. Join us as we head to our next location in Gujarat, continuing to spread awareness and inspire change.